And Melissa, she was tracking this weather, this storm for us all day. Really, it was an incredible undertaking for you. Today's severe weather, though, not going to give us a break. It sounds like you're tracking another system.
We are, and I'll just say today's, you can almost call it a tornado outbreak or outbreak of little tiny rotating thunderstorms, was not something usual that we see out here. It was very bizarre, the size of these thunderstorms, but their rotation was able to tighten up so quickly. I just want to show you a loop from just a 2-hour window. If you look at this, and we were tracking these on air this afternoon, they're very small thunderstorms, but they were able to rotate. You see these little notches? That is where we had our rotating thunderstorms that did produce tornadoes. So they'll be assessing how strong those tornadoes were based on the damage, and they'll be doing that tomorrow. But my attention turns to what is on the way for tomorrow night, and that's another round of storms. And today it was very sporadic in terms of who saw one of those thunderstorms. Tomorrow night, everybody gets storms, and some of these storms will be strong or severe. We've got a level 3 threat of severe weather for northwest Georgia, a level 2 threat through the heart of the Atlanta metro, and then for areas south and east of Atlanta, it's a level 1 threat of severe weather. So what we're expecting from these thunderstorms is not a tornado threat only, but I think damaging winds will be the primary severe weather player. I've got a moderate risk of damaging winds, a low chance of some isolated spin-up tornadoes, like we saw Wednesday night and even today, lower end tornadoes, and then some heavy rainfall. And we've already had a lot of rain over the last week from Wednesday night's system and Thursday, so it could very quickly lead to some flooding conditions. Now, tomorrow morning, afternoon, if you're out and about, you're not going to notice many storms on the map. It's going to be scattered in nature. Some scattered showers, isolated thunderstorms, near record highs, and gusty winds again. But let me take you out into tomorrow night. Look at this by 10 o'clock. This is when those storms start to move into North Georgia as you're going to sleep. Coming up, we'll take this out on the forecast track hour by hour, talk about when to expect those severe storms in your neighborhood and who might see some flakes on the other side.